Log into self-service, click on Manage Classes Non-Mobile, and select Class Search and Enroll to start. First, make sure to select the correct term. Always select Undergraduate. Under Mode of Instruction, you can choose one of these class formats that you prefer. All online means that the course is going to take place completely in an online format, whereas Modified Person means the course is a hybrid of some online and some in-person learning. Flexible in-person means that the course will be a hybrid of online and in-person learning, but the faculty is also willing to allow some students to attend the course completely remotely by request. Now, Course Attribute, when you click on it, shows you a drop-down menu where you can search for courses by their descriptive tags. Some courses are tagged by how much in-person or on-campus activity the course will involve. Others are tagged by what kind of subject matter the course will cover. One course attribute that is commonly searched by students is the off-campus requirement. By selecting that course attribute, it pulls up all of the SAIC courses that qualify for fulfilling the off-campus degree requirement. Then you hit search to see all of the courses that meet your search criteria.